Hi, this is Rony Mullick, and you are watching the Post Market Show. So again, we were just a couple of days back. We started talking about bullish momentum being building up in the market, but uh, things are not looking that well. It looks like the bears have started to take back control, and we are seeing a sort of a big bearish engulfing candle in the daily charts of Nifty and Back Nifty. So what does this signify? Will there be a trend reversal ahead? So let's look into the charts and get a clearer picture. So let me open up first the intraday charts of Nifty and Bank Nifty. So Nifty chart, over here you can see that the markets opened almost flat, and from the very first candle we see a big huge red candle forming. No, sorry, that was not it. Yeah, this one. Market opened slightly positive, but then there was a huge red candle in the first candle itself, as you can see in the charts, and then there was a one-way fall, and the fall accelerated especially after 2 o'clock. And we have been talking about 18,327 acting as a support level. So this market did take support once around 215, but then that was broken decisively, and the markets kept on moving down. And this is not again a good sign for the markets, because it took so much time to break this level of 18,350 levels, and market could not sustain even one day above that level. So that was again a bad situation. So it looks like the bears are back in control, and the markets have gone back below that level, and Nifty closing at 18,286.6 percentage down today, down by almost 112 points. Coming to Back Nifty also, it was near its all-time high, but it could not break that level yesterday. Today also it tried to move towards that, but again it could not reach yesterday's level as well. Today's high was 44,124, and then after 2 o'clock a selling off in Back Nifty also came. 44,000 was broken, and Back Nifty has closed around 43,903, down by 168 points. So this is Bank Nifty and Nifty. Both are facing clear resistance around. Bank Nifty is facing clear resistance around its all-time high. Nifty is pretty below 18,500. It could not break that level as well. So this is situation in the markets and mid caps. And let's discuss Nifty Finance, because today was the expiry of Nifty Fin Nifty, as you say. So Fin Nifty on a close to close basis has closed at 0.7 percentage down. So that is Fin Nifty. So towards the end, in the expiry day, we saw a fall coming in Fin Nifty, and this was in the other sectors has fallen. So Fin Nifty also came under selling pressure, and the chart is not loading for some reason. So let us move to the other data points. So coming to open interest, we have huge calls being added everywhere in the markets. So from 18,300 and above, calls were written aggressively today. That brings Nifty into a bearish situation. Put call ratio has fallen to 0.7. That indicates a bearish sentiment in the markets, and that is what has happened today. Across board, a lot of calls have been written, and there is just 2 days before the expiry. So on 18th of May we have the expiry. Today is Tuesday. So things are looking pretty bearish the way the data has formed today. And in case of Back Nifty, what we are seeing is Back Nifty 44,000 added, huge amount of call build up, and Back Nifty has it was extremely bullish, but now it has come back. The book ratio is down to almost 1, which indicates neither bullish sentiment nor bearish sentiment. So it is consolidating. That is the indication in Back Nifty. But today's price action, if you talk about it, a lot of calls have been added, which reduce the bullish sentiments in Back Nifty. So in the coming days, let's see which side the momentum happens. So that is there, talking about FII and DII activities. FIIs have bought for again 1,400 crores today, but DIIs booked a good amount of profits. Almost 886 crores of selling came from from the DII counter. So maybe that has brought the markets down. Talking about Nifty movers of the day, we have Infosys, Bajaj Finance, SBI, Hindustan Unilever, ONGC, NTPC being the top gainers, and most of the fall in Nifty came from just these 3 stocks: HDFC Twins and Reliance. So all of them were down, especially HDFC after its declaring the dividends. So the dividend factor has been considered today in the it has been reflected in the stock prices. So HDFC has fallen, and that is the reason why Bank Nifty has fallen as well. Coming to sectors, we are seeing that today PSU Bank did well. It is a 0.72 percentage thanks to SBI, and the Nifty IT has done mindly well. They are 0.18 percentage up, but apart from that, all the sectors have ended in the red today, and the fall has come. The biggest fall has come in Nifty auto sector, which is almost 0.9 percentage down. Then we have Nifty media down by 1 percentage, and the rest have been fallen from 0.7 0.6 percentage. So nothing major is what we are seeing. So that is the current situation. Coming to the US markets, let us look at that. US markets, we have seen from the past few days, there's not much movements happening in the US markets. So let us see what we can see if there is any trend or not. So I have the S&P 500 open in front of me, but it looks bearish. S&P 500 is down 0.3 percentage. So same thing, nothing has changed in the US markets. Dow Jones seems to be falling, and it is in a downtrend from 1st of May, and last 3 days it was trying to stabilize at that level, but right now it looks bearish, 0.77 percentage down, and we are seeing a good red candle forming on the daily charts. But we have some time left for the US markets to end. Let's wait for that and see where it ends. Coming to Nasdaq, it is up 0.5 percentage. So Nasdaq is up, but Dow Jones is down, and S&P is somewhere in the middle. That has been the case for the US markets for the last few days. Today is no difference. Coming to VIX, US VIX is up by 3 percentage. India VIX is up close to 1 percentage, 0.9 percentage up. 13.29 is the current situation in India VIX. And other things, if you look at situation, we talked about the open interest. Everything looks bearish right now. So talking about levels for tomorrow, let us open up the smaller time frame. Yes, so now going tomorrow, we will have 18,200 to 210, this band as a support. So please, if you see the markets are breaking 18,200 on the downside, that indicates a bigger fall coming in Nifty. So that has to be taken care of. And again, the previous support has now a resistance. So 18,327 to 18,350 will again start acting as a resistance in the markets. Now the trend has changed slightly, and it has become bearish, especially in case of Nifty. So we have to see where we find bottom. If there is any reversal tomorrow or it continues on the downtrend, that has to be seen. We've talked about the levels. Back Nifty, if you look at it, 43,750 should act as a support. If it is falling, then 43,500 should act as a good level of support in Back Nifty. And until and unless the previous high is broken, we cannot say that Back Nifty is bullish again. So at least it has to close above 44,000. But if that does not happen, we can surely say that Back Nifty will be coming under a lot of profit booking in the coming days. So it is an interesting juncture. Let us wait and see how much the bulls are in power or the bears are in power. It looks like the bears might be in a stronger grip right now. So only time will tell. So I hope you enjoyed it, and thank you for watching. Hope to see you again tomorrow. Have a very good night.